dog was pissed.
What's up, guys? So it is currently 2:30 in the morning right now, and
it's their boy.
Actually, I am about to do my first prank on Emily in the morning, guys. I'm hoping that it'll work. I'm not sure if it'll work, but it's worth a try. So I guess we'll see what happens. So basically, what I'm gonna do is I got this air horn, right? So when she wakes up in the morning, not when she wakes up, but she's gonna be sleeping in the morning. I thought I heard her coming, but anyways, she's gonna be sleeping in the morning, guys. And I'm gonna put the camera by her. I'm gonna blow this in her ear. She'll wake up. And as soon as she wakes up, I'm gonna smash 2 eggs on her head. And then after I do that,
really?
I'm dumping this whole bag of flour all over her. It's gonna mess everything up, but it's worth a try. So let's see. Let's see what happens, okay? Bye. Good morning, guys. Emily is in her sleep right now, so I'm about to go there and set the camera up. I got my 2 eggs.
Oh my god.
Yo, if you ever did some shit like that, your ass getting an ass whipping.
I'm scared, but let's do this.
That whole bag though? You didn't even take any out.
Fucking wasted flour.
Look at the dog.
Dog, I ain't beef for this shit.
It's a fat dog.
You ain't pranking me, motherfucker.
There's a lot of stuff on the wall.
They trying to make it to get out of there.
Oh, seriously.
He said, Damien and Bianca, please help us.
Really?
We're tired of our grandma's house. That's the workstation right there.
Get there.
Wait.
Oh, over her. Good morning, babe.
Oh my god. It's on him too. Really?
Oh my gosh, bro.
He really lifted her head up.
I can't believe she did that. Hold on 1 second.
What?
Yo, that was OD. Good morning, babe. It's fucked up. Yeah, if you ever did some shit like that, we just fighting.
Never.
Packing my shit.
That's fine.
Lift my head and smash.
It's a prank.
Yeah, okay. We're about to prank die with a prank.
Hold on.
What?
She's still in bed.
She gonna say, bitch, clean that up.
Give me a towel.
You alright?
Give me a towel.
You want a towel?
Look at
What
her.
do you think? Give me a towel.
I don't know about this prank life.
She's mad, guys. Here you go, man. You alright?
I have an egg in my ear.
Look.
Oh my god. Look at all that flour.
Yes.
Look, egg just fell on the bed. How you feel, babe?
Get out of my face.
Are you mad?
Yes, get out of my face.
Why you mad?
She's
Look
a
at
happy
this.
man.
On the bed.
Baby, I love you.
She can't even see.
Said, fuck you.
You got an egg on your eye?
You guys get out of my face.
Really? Holding the camera right in her face?
Where you going?
He's still eating
Baby.
the flour.
Baby. You gotta put her face off.
Get off of me.
I love you. Baby.
All over your shirt.
You alright?
No, it looked ridiculous.
I kissed you and I got it on my chin.
Oh, I feel so bad for me. Look, it's all my eye.
But it happened
You
to
should have
Sharon.
blinded her.
His chin though.
Man.
His
I look
mouth.
crazy right now. Look like a crackhead.
True.
But yeah, guys.
Look like
So
my
that was
boy
my first
Tyrone
attempt
from
at a prank
college.
on Emily. I don't know if it was the best prank, but I tried. So I want you guys to leave in the comments below what you think of this prank. Have a good day. Bye.